In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-commerce website for free. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside GoDaddy's website builder, so you can spin up a no-cost online store in just a few minutes. I'll explain what each screen is asking for and share quick tips so you feel confident as you go. Start on your GoDaddy dashboard. Open the profile icon at the top right to reveal your account options, then head into My Products. This takes you to a page that lists everything tied to your account and, importantly, the website tools you can start using right away. Look for the option that says Set up a free website and select it. This launches the website builder onboarding. You won't be charged, and you can upgrade later if you choose, so it's a safe way to get started and test your idea. You'll first see a prompt asking what features your website needs. Because we're building an online store, choose the e-commerce path. You'll see choices like selling products or booking appointments. Pick Sell with an online store. That ensures the store tools, like product listings and checkout, are enabled from the start. When you're ready, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked what kind of business you have. Select the category that best matches what you sell or plan to sell. This helps the builder suggest a fitting layout, images, and starter copy so your site looks relevant immediately. Don't worry, you can refine everything later. Click Continue to move on. Now enter your business name. This is what will show in your site header and across key places like your browser tab and footer. Keep it short, clear, and consistent with your brand. You can always change it down the road. Click Continue. You'll be prompted to add a phone number for your business. This can appear on your site so customers can reach you, and it may help with trust and local visibility. If you prefer not to share a personal number, consider using a dedicated business line or a forwarding number. Click Continue when you're set. Finally, you'll see a space to tell a little about your business. You can add a brief description or skip this step for now. If you choose to write something, 1 or 2 sentences that explain what you sell and who it's for is perfect. Think clear, benefit-focused language that includes your main keywords. If you're not ready, skipping is fine. You can fill it in later. That's it. With these choices saved, your free e-commerce website is created and ready for customization. In future sessions, you can add products, set up payments and shipping, and connect a domain. But for now, you've successfully launched your store foundation at no cost.